You better have recorded that.
Borrow what? My skinny one, that Mexican one. No.
Did he really just ask that question?
Oh, yeah. Oh,
oh, Jamoni. That one to a dreams. Just like me and Eric during lunch. No. Oh snow. Oh snow, I'm done so.
You made a set.
Oh. Down, Black Steven. Down, Black Steven.
What is David doing?
He's rolling up into a little ball.
He's scared.
It's like, Efra, don't put me in. Oh snow! I'm going in.
You're done so.
I'm done so. Oh snow!
Sorry, David.
Number 46 is gonna end my career.
You're gonna do PFT with us.
Oh, did I?
Fiesta run.
Oh, Fiesta run, whatever.
Can no one control it?
Well, ya valió.
FT.
No, no me digas.
Yeah, we did a lot more than you did. Ay, no.
He pulled the marker.
Pareció Eric. Mira.
Offside.
Mira, pew. Mira, pew.
And you're wearing the same sweater.
Why, you know, huh? But I actually did my hair this time.
Teleport?
Control it. Mira.
Ya valió. Where's the Leo? What the f*** is Leo? What? That was white. It was Shane. And then, Gio!
At this moment, he knew he fucked up.
Oh god, we're saved. She's a professional at grabbing balls.
Oh! Did you learn that from Marco?
Mira.
Oh,
Hi, Gio. Are we finally gonna score against Santa Paula? At home?
I know.
Se trabó.
Que la cagó.
Steven! Pulling on my cord.
Ooh! Oh, snow!
Oh snow! I'm done so.
47's gonna have a career!
yeah, David.
It's a twin!
My career.
Call him then.
Come on, David!
Yeah.
Oh snow!
Wait,
Oh snow! I can control it.
I was gonna tell Leo to bring me food, but then I just remembered he's gonna hide in the library.
Oh, playing Vainglory?
No.
Doing something more important.
Yeah, David.
Oh my God.
Whatever.
God.
Oh, David.
Oh snow!
Oh, snow!
Done. He's leaving everyone on side. Eric, what's his name? David Markham. Get the ball! Get the ball!
Here.
Okay, that wasn't no laughing matter. He had a shot.
Oh, snow!
For real, dude.
Hi, David!
Pay attention.
Don't chip it next time.
No more, we're just encouraging you. We're getting you mad.
It's a bit tough love. He took it.
I'm not laughing.
I'm not gonna be.
It's not gonna happen to me. You know why? Because I'm not on the team.
He's still waiting for Coach Q's.
I'm still waiting for Coach Q's text. It's been 3 years. Oh, snow! Oh, he did the right thing. Get it to someone that can actually get in the air. Oh, Gio!
Dude, what if that guy took a long shot?
Corman!
Let's go.
Show him how it's done in Alabama, boy!
God, Corbin.
Johan Cruyff! Johan Cruyff!
Oh.
Okay, that was no laughing matter.
I'm gonna get
I know he's dead. We should pay our.
Oh, snow!
Take it off. No.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, snow! I'm done so!
David!
David!
Oh, that was David. Could have gotten it.
Tell me.
One on Gabe. Damn Gabe first.
Gabe, bro.
Gabe roll.
Oh, he made a tackle.
Oh, what? They're actually doing something?
Oh, did you see the thing I tagged you in?
Mira nomás.
Oh, Snow. Oh, Snow. I'm back for 47. My career.
The game's almost over. I'm gonna go back to the bench in the second half.
Corbin.
Oh, Johan Cruyff.
Corbin. Oh,
Oh.
Corbin used to pitch.
Marco, order pizza.
Keep the ball. Keep the ball. Thank God.
Gio. Rafa.
And it begins. I thought Coach Q wasn't gonna babysit.
What the? Oh, I thought that.
Just like how he said he was gonna call me.
This is Ginger.
Yeah, I lied.
I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. Eric be like, I gotta go to work.
That was my left. You had time. Eric, you had time. Hi, Eric. Cagas. Eric,
Hey,
take your
dude.
time.
Just like today during Alan when we all did nose goes. Fucking Eric, when we all did nose goes and he wasn't even paying attention.
Oh, it's gonna like, cause you don't know what's happening. Go for tape. How come you didn't record for freshman year?
Cause I didn't have the idea.
Oh no, you did it because Marco got on the team, huh?
Yeah. Because I'm not gonna record Leo.
No, oh Snow, oh Leo.
And now that David's on the team, even more.
David, open up.
No, that's not.
And even better when I found out I could make money.
Go, dude.
Chicken, you said?
Oh, chicken nuggets and fries.
No, nadie le importa. Where's that communication? Gio's like, what have I done? What have I done to deserve this? Oh, Snow!
He's going back in. Which one is gonna end his career this time?
Number 55!
No. What? Where's he going?
No, we number 41.
Wait,
I have
is he,
$5.
I think he's going.
Defense? No.
He's in the mid. Oh, Snow!
David.
Oh,
Chicken
Snow!
nuggets,
What the heck is he doing?
Oh, he touched down.
No!
Touchdown. Oh, banter.
I don't know where my shoe tie went.
Yo.
Oh, Snow! Oh, Snow! He missed the ball! In elementary school during band, that Eric peed his pants.
No way.
I remember.
And then he's like, I spilled some juice. Oh!
I can run there and back.
Oh, that's what I was gonna say.
I
You
can run there and back in like 30.
What was that? Oh, that's David! Oh, no, that was Jesus!
He did something?
Mira, Jesus! Communicate!
Oh.
Handball!
Vamos, Gio.
No! No!
What was that?
Trupali!
Got to wait an hour and 30 for my food?
Oh my.
Get it, David!
What's your face
Oh,
on
Snow! Oh, Snow!
You're going to know.
Oh, Snow! I thought it was gonna be an autogol.
it? Oh, what the? Oh,
Oh, Snow! Oh, nice.
Come on, Jesus.
Where's the ball? We made it out alive.
Did I still remember when Marco threw the ball?
That's the wrong number.
No.
Shouldn't pull the Marco.
Give it to David. Mira nomás, that was a foul. I'm giving them the foul because I want the play to stop.
One guy's name's Chewy.
Que me traigan comida.
I know. Es que nomás quiere tragar. Puro traguín. Se la pasa. Mira nomás. Shuri! Oh my god.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Ended his career. That's a career ender.
Wait, was it a volley?
No, but I'd be crying at this moment.
Hey, can one of you guys charge my phone?
No.
I don't have an iPhone charger.
Is there an iPhone charger?
What the fuck? Someone's eating donuts.
Yeah, but
I'll
that
plug whoever it is.
that kid's charging it.
I'll plug it.
Yeah.
Selfish.
Daniel.
Pass it back to the keeper. Jesus.
Why did they wait so long?
To pass it to the keeper, not finish it bottom corner.
Oh.
It's gonna be like, because I went for that call.
Varsity material.
Mira nomás, control it. Oh no. Come out, Gio, please. Oh. What? That was too high of a foot.
Oh, Gio!
Oh
my
my god.
I cannot believe it. All I have to do is just like keep
Gonna
viewing,
finesse it.
keep viewing the video.
What?
Mira nomás. Oh. David. In the video, delete.
Yo, he made a goal like that in practice.
Did it really?
Yeah.
At least it was the right one.
Oh, should I let this kid from McDonald's?
Steven, you barely noticed.
When you're in need.
When you're in need and just find
When you're
out.
desperate. Hey, look, you wanna let me have
Good
some
luck
back?
waiting for another hour and 15 minutes.
Kid, I'll give you $5.
That Big Mac, I don't care if it's eaten already. Vomit it out. Give me the rest.
Dude, that would have been.
Oh my god, no. Okay, good.
Hey, get up.
Man, he flopped. Ref, he
Penalty?
What?
Wait, what?
We gotta review that, right?
What? Did he just call that?
Dude, he flopped.
Don't tell me he called that.
Ref!
Let's chill.
We don't pay you for
Is it actually?
That can't be bad.
Surely it isn't. Or they're calling him to see if, did you flop?
He flopped.
He's gonna be like, no, ref.
Look at that one short ref. He's like, you better tell the truth.
Nah, he flopped.
Nah, boy, 7-0. Don't go. Ali.
It's about time.